Hey there. Struggling with a TV that refuses to power up can be incredibly frustrating. If you're facing this issue, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll share some practical steps on how to fix a Vizio TV that won't turn on. Let's dive in to get your Vizio TV up and running again. Step 1. Perform a power cycle. The first step in troubleshooting is to perform a power cycle. This is a simple but effective way to resolve any technical issues. Unplug the TV. Disconnect your Vizio TV from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds to ensure all residual power is drained, which can clear internal memory glitches. Press the power button. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 to 15 seconds. This step helps to drain any remaining power and reset the system. Reconnect and power on. Plug the TV back into the power outlet and attempt to turn it on. If it powers on, the issue may have been a temporary glitch. Step 2. Check power supply and connections. If your Vizio TV still doesn't turn on, it's time to inspect the power supply and connections. Examine the wall outlet. Ensure the power outlet is working by plugging in another electronic device. If the device doesn't function, the issue lies with the outlet, not your TV. Inspect the power cord. Check the power cord for any visible damage or wear. A faulty power cord can prevent your TV from receiving power. Securely connect all cables. Ensure that the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Loose connections can disrupt power flow. Step 3. Test with a different power source. Try a different outlet. If your Vizio TV won't turn on after checking connections, plug it into a different power outlet. This step helps to rule out issues with the original outlet. Consider using a power strip. Sometimes a faulty surge protector or power strip can cause power issues. Bypassing it by connecting directly to the outlet may solve the problem. Step 4. Check remote control and battery issues. Sometimes the issue may not be with the TV, but with the remote control. Replace remote batteries. Weak or dead batteries can prevent your remote from turning the TV on. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and try again. Check for remote functionality. Ensure the remote is functioning by using it with other devices or testing a universal remote if available. Step 5. Inspect for hardware issues. If all prior steps fail, there might be a more serious hardware problem. Look for blinking lights. Some Vizio TVs have an indicator light that can signal specific errors. Check your TV's manual for details on error codes indicated by these lights. Listen for any unusual sounds. If your TV clicks but doesn't turn on, this could suggest an internal issue that may require professional repair. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have a good chance of resolving the issue with your Vizio TV that won't turn on. While power cycling and checking connections solve many problems, it's always wise to consult Vizio's customer support or a professional technician if needed. Remember, handling electronics safely is crucial, so don't hesitate to seek expert assistance if you're unsure. Good luck, and may your TV viewing experience be effortless and enjoyable.